Hello and welcome to Trikids. So today in this video we are going to learn multiplication and squares using Vedic mathematics. This video is second part of the previous video that I uploaded on multiplication and squares using Vedic mathematics. So let's start. So the first technique to calculate multiplication is multiplication using base technique. So in this technique of multiplication we choose a base number. So for example, if you want to calculate 8 into 6, so since both the numbers are close to 10, so we will choose base as 10. And now we will see these two numbers how much less or more they are than 10. So if we see, then 8 is less than 2 from 10 and 6 is less by 4 from 10. So in this technique we write 8 minus 2, 6 minus 4, since 10 minus 2 is 8 and 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is the way by which we write this. So to multiply this number, we will multiply the unit digits of this, since minus 2 and minus 4 are the two numbers that we will multiply for to get our unit digit number. So minus 2 and minus 4 will be 8. And to get the tens place digit, we will either we can take 8 minus 4 or 6 minus 2, because in both we are getting 6, not 6. 8 minus 4, 6 minus 2, we will get 4. So our answer will be 48. So let's see one more example. Suppose you want to calculate 14 into 16. So in this number, since both the numbers are close to 10, again we are choosing our base as 10. And both the numbers are more than 10. 14 is 4 more than 10 and 16 is 6 more than 10. So we will write 14 plus 4 and 16 plus 6. Now we will multiply 4 and 6, we will get 24, and 14 plus 6 or 16 plus 4, in both we are getting 20. Since we are choosing base number as 10, so the number after this slash should be a unit digit number, so 2 will carry over to 20. So we will write 4 and 2 will carry over to 20. 20 plus 2 will be 224. So our answer will be 224. So in next example, I am taking one number is more than 10 and another one is less than 10. 8 is less than 10 and 15 is more than 10. Again we are choosing base as 10. So 8 minus 2 and 15 plus 5, since 8 is less than 10 by 2 and 15 is more than 10 by 5. Now we will multiply minus 2 and 5, we will get minus 10. So to write minus 10, we will put a bar on it. So the number after the slash will be 10 bar, and for the number before the slash we will write 8 plus 4 or 8 plus 5, which is 13, or 15 minus 2, which is 13, since both are same. So in this type of problem, since there is a bar on 10, means this 10 is a negative number, and there will be a unit, since base is 10, so only one digit will be after slash. So if you will write, then it will be 130 minus 10, since 13 is there and 0 will be there after the slash, since it is a base 10 number, since we are choosing base as 10. So 130, and since 10 is a negative number, so we will subtract it from 130 and we will be getting 120 as our answer. So now we extend this trick to calculate 3-digit multiplication. Suppose you want to calculate 105 into 101. So since both these numbers are close to 100, we will choose base as 100. Similarly 105 plus 5, since 105 is more than 100 by 5, and 101 plus 1, we will multiply the unit place digits. So 5 into 1 will get 5, and 105 plus 1 or 101 plus 5, we will get 106. Since we are choosing base as 100, so there must be 2 digits after the slash. In the previous example we were choosing base as 10, so the number after the slash were only a unit single digit number. So we'll write 5 as 05 and 105 plus 1 will be 106. So our answer will be 10,605. Let's see another example. 93 into 98. Both the numbers are less than 100. So we will write 93 minus 7 because it is 7 less than 100, and 98 minus 2. And we will multiply minus 7 minus 2, we will get 14, and 93 minus 2 or 98 minus 7, in both we will get 91. Since the numbers, since the digit after slash are 2, no need to add any 0 or to carry over. So we will write 14 as it is, and 91 we will write as it is. So our answer will be 9114. In the next number, 1 is more than 100, that is 104, and 93 is less than 100. So we will write 104 plus 4 since it is more by 4, and 93 minus 7. Now we will multiply 4 and minus 7, we will get minus 28. So we will write 28 bar, and the number before slash will be 104 minus 7, or 93 plus 4 will get 97. Since base is 100, so the digits after slash will be 2. So we will write it as 9700, 9700 minus 28, since 28 is a negative number. So we will get 9672 as our answer. So up till now we have seen the multiplication of the numbers which are close to number 10 or 100, like that. Now we will see the multiplication using different base numbers. So for example, if you want to multiply 22 into 23, since both these numbers are neither close to 10 nor 100, but they are close to 20. So in this technique also we will see whether the number are more than base number or smaller than our base number. Since both are bigger than our base number, and 22 is more by 2 and 23 is more by 3, so 22 plus 2 and 23 plus 3. Similarly, we will multiply 2 and 3, we will get 6, or 22 plus 3 or 23 plus 2, we will get 25. Since our base is 20, in the previous problems we were using base as 10 or 100. So, and this base is how many times it is of 10. So if we see, then 20 is 2 times of 10. So we will multiply, in this technique we will multiply 25 into 2, since 20 is twice of number 10. So 25 into 2 we will get 50, and since base is 20, so we will take the number is only a single digit number after slash. So we will write 506 our answer. Let's see another example. If you want to multiply 56 into 53, in this we will choose base number as 50, and we will write 56 plus 6 and 53 plus 3. 6 into 3 we will get 18, and 56 plus 3 will get 59. Since it is 5 times of 10, so we will multiply 59 by 5, you will get 295, and since there are 2 digits after slash, so 1 will carry over to 295, and our answer will be 2968. Let's see another example. 84 into multiplied by 78. In this we will choose base as 80. So we write 84 plus 4, 78 minus 2. 4 into minus 2 we will get minus 8. So it will be written as 8 bar. And another number will be 84 minus 2 is 82. Since it is 8 times of 10, we will multiply it by 8. So 8 into 82 we will get 656. So since 8 is a negative number, so we have to subtract it. So our answer will be 6560 minus 8. Then we will get 6552. So that will be our answer. Let's see one more example. In this, 77 multiplied by 72. In this, our base will be 70. So 77 plus 7, 72 plus 7. Similarly, we will get 14 and here we will get 79. So multiplied by 7, we will get 553, and since there should be only one digit after slash, so 1 will carry over to 553. So we will get 5544 as our answer. So up till now we have seen multiplication of the numbers. Now we can extend this technique to calculate squares of the number. Suppose you want to calculate square of 63. So in this, or we can write it as 63 into 63. So we will choose base as 60, 63 plus 3, 63 plus 3, since 63 is more than 3 by more than 3 to 60. So we will multiply 3 and 3 will get 9, 63 plus 3 will get 66. Since it is 6 times of 10, so we will multiply it by 6 and we will getting 396 slash 9. So our answer will be 3969. Similarly, for 109 square, we will choose base as 100. So 109 plus 9, 109 plus 9, 9 into 9 will be 80, 81, and 109 plus 9 will be 118. And since this number is, since we are choosing base as 100, so no need to multiply, or if you multiply by 1, then we will get the same number. And after slash there should be 2 digits, since we are choosing base as 100. So our answer will be 11,881. Next question, next example, we'll see 97 square. We will choose base as 100. We will write is 97 minus 3, 97 minus 3, 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 will be 9. So since we are choosing base as 100, so we will write it as 09, and 97 minus 3 will be 94. So our answer will be 9409. Suppose you want to calculate 39 square, so it is close to 40, so we will choose base as 40. 39 minus 1, 39 minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1, 39 minus 1 is 38, 40 is 4 times of 10, so we multiply it by 4, you will get 152 slash 1, so our answer will be 1521. Another example, 87 square. In this we will choose base as 90. So 87 minus 3, 87 minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3 will be 9. And 87 minus 3 will be 84. It is 9 times of 10, 90 is 9 times of 10, so we will multiply it by 9 and we will get 756. So our answer will be 7516.